In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that helps you manage tasks, projects, and teams all in one place. Integrating Google Drive with ClickUp allows you to seamlessly attach your documents, slides, and spreadsheets directly to your tasks, making it easier to collaborate and streamline your workflow. Whether you're organizing projects or sharing files with your team, this integration will save you time and keep everything connected. Let's dive in and get started. First, log in to your ClickUp workspace using your credentials. If you're not already familiar with ClickUp, it's an excellent tool for productivity and collaboration, and if you don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your workspace, where everything from tasks to dashboards is at your fingertips. Next, navigate to your dashboard. This is where you manage your lists and tasks, and it's the central hub for all your work in ClickUp. Take a moment to locate the sidebar or the workspace navigation menu. It's usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Now look for the More option. This is where we'll find the tools and settings needed for integrating external apps. Once you've found it, click on it to expand the menu. From this expanded menu, select Apps. This will take you to the section where you can browse and manage available integrations within ClickUp. Here, we're looking for the Google Drive integration. You can scroll down to find it manually or use the search bar to speed things up. Simply type in Google Drive and you should see the Google Drive icon or label appear. Once you've located it, click on Google Drive to begin the integration process. A setup window will pop up and you'll see a Connect button. Click on that button to start linking your Google Drive account to ClickUp. At this point, you'll need to choose the Gmail account that's connected to the Google Drive files you want to use. You'll see a list of your available accounts. Select the one you want, and then click Continue to proceed. Once you've done that, ClickUp will finalize the connection for you. It's as simple as that. To double-check that everything is set up correctly, go back to the Apps section and verify that Google Drive is now listed among your active integrations. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with ClickUp, making it easier than ever to attach and manage your files within your tasks and projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.